Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have had these for quite some time. I've been wanting to do a video on them, but we've been quarantining, so I really had no reason to try these on because it was nowhere to wear them. But I have KKW Skims. I have 3 different shapewears, all in black. So I am going to review these and let you know what I think. And I'm also super excited to be snatched because in real life I'm not. I got the mom bag going on, nothing wrong with that. But you know, certain outfits I really just want to wear, but I don't because yeah, I'm not gonna be out here looking crazy. So I really feel like I got these during the Black Friday sale, and yeah, that's how long I've had them. So cute, super cute packaging. They're all different. I think they're all different. So okay, in real life I'm a large, extra large, so it just depends on what the brand and the company is. I wear a 12. Sometimes I can get away with a 10. So I did the large, extra large bodysuits, and this is supposed to be black, but it kind of looks like a brown because my shirt is black, but you know, whatever. Oh, you know what? The color is onyx. And then this is, what is this one called? This is the mid-waist sculpting brief. This is the core thong. This is the sculpting short mid-thigh. So I'm gonna try all of these on in the same outfit. I'm also gonna show you guys a before with me in the outfit without anything. Okay guys, so this is me with nothing on underneath. You know, I got the mom love handles and the mom fupa. You know, it's all there. It's all there. Literally nothing on right now. So this is a side. This is the back. This is another side. Give you guys a closer look. And this is the side. So fupa is there. I don't have a butt and I have love handles. So we're gonna see what this shapewear is all about. All right. Ooh. So this is it with the shorts on. Now I really had to pull it all the way up so you wouldn't see the line, but you can definitely see the line in the back. You can see the line in the back here. But definitely, you know, gave me a little, you know, a little snatch. It's not, the fupa isn't just hanging here. So that is better. Here's a closer look. I'm gonna say no to the thong, actually. The thong is a no. Oh my gosh, should you just see it literally rolled. So this, I feel like it just made me look fatter. And I can barely fucking breathe. This thong is all the way up my crack and it literally just keeps sliding. Oh, it just gave me boop, boop, boop. So now I have the briefs on and I feel this one rolling down now. But as you can see, because I already have such formation in the love handles and the fupa, it kind of just accentuated it. And so now it's more defined. And I'm sure you can see the lines from it. You can actually see the color. Oh, and yeah, it kind of just made it budge out more. So these are gonna be a no too. I'm gonna have to go with the shorts. The shorts will be the winner for me. I'm gonna try one more outfit on, and then we're gonna see just with the shorts, because these two I can't do. I can't do. You just gotta love the fupa. Like you gotta love it. You just gotta love it. So yeah, this is me before. Okay guys, so this is another outfit that's more reasons why the shorts win, because yes. 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 So the shorts definitely are a winner. I don't know if they will show in the back. They are, like, they're right there. So, I mean, you can pull them up, but the shorts is it for me. The shorts are it. So, yes. Let's get a little closer view. Sorry about the lighting. Try to like make it better. But I don't know if you guys can see the black or not. I don't feel like you can. But that's why I wanted to get a white outfit. So, yeah. Okay guys, so that is it for the Skims review. I would say 1 out of 2 I'm really feeling, which are the shorts. The thong really just, it wasn't comfortable. It was very hard to get into, and I feel like it actually made me look fatter. So of course we don't want that. And then with the briefs, I feel like it kind of just made my love handle sit. Like it just, I don't know. I didn't care for that either. So I would say for the mom bod review, I'm gonna have to say for mommies, stick to the shorts. Or, you know, try it and let me know. I think the black is a really good color to go with, just because you saw I had the white dress and you couldn't see it with the red. I'm not really sure how that was, but overall, I'm not mad at the color. Now the banding, you see it has this on all of them in the inside, and I do feel like that was meant to kind of attach to the skin so it won't roll down, but it still rolls down because, you know, it's shapewear. It sucks you in, so if there's extra fat skin anywhere, it's prone to roll down. So I mean, there's only so much that she could do for that, but if you pull it all the way up, literally right under your boob, it will help for it to not show. But in the back, I just feel like it probably will show, but you know, not if your hair is down, not if, I don't know, it just won't be as bad. So overall, definitely gonna go with the shorts. I still have them on. That will be my summer go-to. Let me know what you guys think, and if you bought anything from KKW. I actually have some shorts, and I do feel like these shorts are better because like my butt can breathe. I already do not have a butt, but because of how she has the butt area shaped, it kind of lets the butt I have live. The other shapewear that I have, which I got, I don't even know where, but that sucks my butt into, so then I really just look like I don't have anything but a gut. So yeah guys, let me know what you think. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.